What Hugo Bruce did against Mexico can't be forgiven. We can't forgive him for what he did to us against Mexico. The fact that he went and played against Mexico and opted to defend instead of playing his usual game and playing his usual best. And it's something that we can never forgive him for. It still doesn't make sense why he opted to go for that formation and why he opted to play that system to begin with. And now, I agree with a lot of people my question on the socials when all of this was happening. Where was his technical team? So everyone sat down and agreed Alia formation a 5-3-2, which is the formation that that actually did cost Bafana their game. And there was nothing to fear against Mexico. We were gonna win that game. We were gonna dominate that guy if our players were allowed to play the game that they know and the game that they always play. But yeah, nonetheless, what I want to talk about today is the upcoming game between Bafana and Ichetcha. Again, Ichetcha are not a ball-playing team. They're not a very good team. They're not a team that Bafana should fear or even be worried about. The only thing Bafana needs to do against Ichetcha is they need to avoid a set piece because lababane aerial dominance. So what Ichetcha will do is they will force Bafana to commit fouls, kuma danger areas so that bona bazokwazi ukubashanga ama high ball because strikers abo nama forwards wabo bane height and a lot of our players don't have height. And then nangama throw in because you saw the game that they played against South Korea. Baba shying a throw in. It was a long throw into the box. Wabo stood behind the defender. But if you watch that game, you can see that Ichetcha actually, they're not a ball playing team. They're not a team what Bafana then needs to do against Ichetcha is they need to use a strength swap, which is positional football. As daleni le positional football lena esiyaziyo tina as Bafana or in South African football we thrive mostly when we have a number 10. So which means this is a game that needs Urilebohile Mfokeng. Start Mfokeng. Let Mfokeng play a free role and allow him to play his best football. Mfokeng uzongena, take the players on, create chances. If Mfokeng mele ukuthi ashaye ivulavala kuzangene game inimtetele ashaye ivulavala. A game of this magnitude needs someone like Ozwin Apollos. It needs someone like Mthapelo Masego. We need people who are going to keep it defensive, Ichetcha running up and down. Bafana must avoid playing a long ball because lababane advantage height. So if we want to play a long ball, we're going to be playing to their advantage. Bazoluine moyen balbege counter bafunuk shama set piece or basquare guti polola boltalelise moyen so that they can dominate us. So Hugo Bruce ne technical team yake, they need to sit down, study Ichetcha, make good use of ama disadvantages with Ichetcha, whereas abakwazi ukudlala and they struggle kakhulu nge-man-to-man marking. So we need to play positional football as Bafana asba dominating lana egamini. Hugo Bruce, there's nothing to fear. There's nothing to fear against Ichetcha. They're not a strong team. They're not a strong team at all. They're not a strong team at all. By Lidi, they scored Kala against South Korea. They came back and lost the game. South Korea came back from behind to win that game, Lena. So, as Bafana, it means this game, Lena, favors Bafana because Bafana is a ball playing team. Bafana has players with pace. Bafana has players with skill. Bafana has defenders and man-to-man marking. The only thing that Ichetcha has ahead of Bafana is aerial advantage. So Hugo Bruce, this time don't make the same mistake that you made against Mexico. Unga defendi, your defender, and don't play 5 defenders. Can you for once trust in your players? Can you for once trust Guti ama player na wazodlala? Why can't Papa Mfokeng a chance? This time, if Hugo Bruce messes up this one, Bafetu, there's no need to see the slender the third game. Agavela hambe. Because already what he did against Mexico, we can't forgive him. Utati country to in front of billions and billions of people who are watching all over the world. It's Bafana lapano hambe wa with Hugo Bruce. So Gule game learner Ichetcha, Hugo Bruce, it's important. Listen to Hellman if he does have a say. Now if listen to a technical team. Why don't you take the strategies as Enzo Abo Sundowns, Chiefs and Orlando Pirates? Get ama video analysts. Backbone so good. This is where Ichetcha is strong. This is where Ichetcha lacks, and this is what we need to avoid, and this is what we need to take advantage of. It's that simple. I game Bafana can't afford to defend. Even if he plays 3 defenders, Gule game it's fine. But what Bafana needs more than anything in this game is a win. We can't afford a draw and we can't afford a loss. If Bafana yadliwa, we must forget about the chances of even being the best number 3 in the group. But this game, Ichetcha, If iBafana Bafana wins this game, I'm telling you, amathemba azobuya. Everyone else will then see ukuthi no, Isani Bafana Bafana is actually a force to be reckoned with. Ningavele nithi niyodlala neBafana Bafana and think ukuthi nizovela automatically nithole 3 points. But right now that's what every other country thinks and believes because ucoach wethu uyigwala. And another thing that's concerning, when was the last time Bafana Bafana played against European opposition? The country as Europe. That's why besikhala leading to a build up AFCON and the build up World Cup. Sikhalile sitshela Safa. Stop telling us about financial issues ukuthi Safa inamali. Host countries that actually matter. Countries that are going to challenge our players. Abazobonisa ama player wethu ukuthi kunjani ukudlala transitional football, defending against a transitional game, playing against a team that's dominating you in the middle of the park. How do you come back from those things? Bafana were not invested in any of those things. Instead, Isafa islethela Nicaragua, Panama, Isletelabo, Jamaica. Countries that are not even in the World Cup. Countries that haven't competed at that highest level in a very long time. So, another thing that we need to blame. Ilento yokuthi Safa yona self azange thathi build up World Cup serious. Azange bathatha build up AFCON serious. Sharp, we went and played AFCON, which we can then say maybe as in a 7th AFCON as a way yokuthi si build up. But also nagu AFCON, the formation that lost us the game against Mexico is the formation athathu yasetshenziswa ku-Egypt naku-Cameroon sadliwa. We don't want to see that formation ever again. Hugo Bruce, sicela ungaskwatisi, sicela ukuthi usihloniphe as a nation, sicela ukuthi usithathe serious. Please respect our players. Please respect the reputation of our country. Respect the millions of South Africans that are watching from all over the world. If you have no respect for us, it's fine. Hamba. We'll find a replacement team, someone that can get there and get the job done. Simple. When we play against each other, there's no need to defend. There's no need to defend. Me myself, I stayed up that night. Ichecha idlala in South Korea, and I watched that game out. But Ichecha ina next. Ichecha ina next. Asi country kwamele ukuthi sisabe. All we need to do is avoid ama set piece, especially closer to the final third. Let's avoid amakhona maningi because bazoshaya emoyeni ama player wethu awana height. Avoid ama throw in kwindawo is unnecessary. But when it comes to man marking, I can assure you soba dominate. To TLP uyakwazi ukupressa. Lo mfana lo Makhanya has to play kule game layer. We are playing in the United States, Lalele Atlanta. This boy plays in the MLS yana Nombogazi. Uyawa understand la condition la yana, and we saw him in that one game that he played against Nicaragua. Which actually he's good on and off the ball. Although sometimes he gets carried away. Afuna ukupusha kakhulu, but we have Mbogazi to cover for him. Yena Nombogazi, they can build a very solid relationship lapha emuva. Hugo Bruce must play this Makhanya boy. Umnandi, lo mfana lo uyapressa futhi. Checha, that's what they need. Badinga umuntu abapressayo, because if you can avoid lama Polo waphezulu ayikho into abazoyenza, because when it comes to positional football bayahluleka, abakwazi ukudlala positional football. Our biggest strength going into this game, we don't need Lal Foster to be the main striker. Play lo mfana lo Ikram Reyners first half, and then second half play Evidence Makgopa. And I'll tell you why I'm saying this. Ikram Reyners akusi sharp unawo ama touch entswembe moyeni, but because laba they more focused kwizinto zambe moyeni. Ikram Reyners is striker sikwazi nokudlala muphi ibhola enyaweni uyashoot yakora. Evidence Makgopa comes second half, he pulls the defense, because into Evidence Makgopa kwazi kuyenza umbheke nakubhethu Premiership. He's not the type of striker ozokuhleza kukorela amagoli, mara makangena uyakwazi ukimpact game, because he makes it easy for abomfukeng ukuthi bathole imbobo bashute, for abombatha nabo apolice. So play him second half and let him be the one osiqedelela leya game leya. But Hugo Bruce, don't defend kule game le. Don't be afraid of Checha. Ungayisabi Checha. There's nothing special about Checha, like just as there was nothing special about Mexico. Checha nabo, they're not special. Le group lena is a group ukuthi if we had a coach that was serious about winning, that had a winning mentality, that knew what he was doing, I'm telling you, Bafana would have finished number 1 kule group layer. But because it came against Mexico as a game in the past now, we've already lost that game. Approach that game lena yechecha with a different mindset. Awukube winner emqondweni Hugo Bruce. Just like be a winner for once in your life. Awukukhohlwe ngokudefender. We are not going there to defend. Let's show these guys what we are made of. Allow Bafana to play their football. Allow Bafana to play the game that they know. Allow Jaden Adams Nomukwena to be that double number 6 in front of them. Play Relebohile Mfokeng. A police on the left, Chapelo Masego on the right, bazoloke bapis baswitcha. Also na police also has this thing. yokuthanda ukukhatha in when ikhatha in umfukeng uyamvulela ispace bayenza koLorlando Pirates. Let these boys play, let these boys shine. If ke when Hugo Bruce you don't believe in these boys, you don't believe they can win, just let these boys play. Number one, for us South Africans, because we believe in them. Number two, let them play. Kuna maskats afuna ukubabona labafana lawa. Why is Hugo Bruce denying these kids an opportunity to go play abroad? Like, let them play, bayeke badlale and let them play the football that they know. Second half Donsu Jaden Adams ufaka talent mbata, then Umkwena no talent mbata badlala boy2. Let them now enjoy the game. Bafethu, I'm telling you, we have to be more invested in attack kule game le. This is the game where we can even score goals. This is a game where we can get 3 points, so that by the time it gets to a point where angazi if izosebenza, point a goal different system angazi if izosebenza, but it's safe. And then siyazi ukuthi second half you pull out a Thapelo Maseko ufaka uTshepang Muremi, you are going for the kill. Muremi, we need more goals. And then Makambi Skati, towards the end of the game, we keep these people busy running up and down. Sifaka no Kamhelo Sibelebele. All we need is to use the Betway Premiership players. Laba abathathe Pirates abayi number 1, abathathe Sundowns abayi number 2 by winning Cup Champions League. Play those guys. Those guys are used to competing at a high level. They're used to scoring goals. They're used to each other. Bayazana Lamachita, they've played together. They've played against each other. Just let them play. Just let them play. It's a blessing in disguise. The Ruya une red card angegadlal. Chambers one une red card angegadlal. So we are not really panicking and worried ukuthi low zongena a slow it down tempo game, low nama mistakes uzoenza. No, talent them but Tebuko Mukena Jaden Adams are enough. They are enough. You start ngabai 2 and then second half ukhipwe 1 ufaka omunye. In attack bakhona boMaseko, bakhona Muremi, abo Apolisa, abo Mfukeng. Let these kids do what they know how to do best, which is playing positional football, taking on players, shooting and scoring goals. Because we know if Ikram Reyners and Evidence Mahupa can score, you know ukuthi Ozona Police uyakwazi ukora, Rilebulile Mfukeng uyakwazi ukora, Thapelo Maseko knows how to score, Mukwena uyakwazi ukora, Umbata uyakwazi ukora, TLP Makshubile, and he has to take matters upon himself. Lo mfana lona na uyakwazi ukuthi into is right akore. Hugo Bruce just needs to trust our players and let them play the game that they know how to play. Let them play a game by trial and just let them be. Don't interfere. And can a technical team also bangaloke bavumi Hugo Bruce abadonse ngekhala tasiyele challenge the coach. You are there for that reason, to show the coach good. No, coach, we are losing it, Mazlala so. And then Uhelman Mkelele also, if akakhulumi, he needs to speak up. But if you are kuluma, then nice, I'm playing for the loss against Mexico. Guti uthula kanjani uvumela lo mjita lo asukele Belgium azomoshi ibhola lethu. When you've won the AFCON neBafana Bafana, you've played games that helped Bafana Bafana qualify for the 1998 World Cup at France. So now Uhelman Mkelele, be a coach, be a leader. Mbonisu Hugo Bruce mfowethu. Thina la South Africa, we don't believe in defensive football. Thina se attack la South Africa. That's why we produce more attackers than defenders. Allow us to play our football and let us win the game the way we know how to win it. So if Hugo Bruce loses against Ichecha, it's done. Lobaba Lona must not look back and say that he did anything positive for South African football. Anything that is ever achieved neBafana Bafana will be wiped away in memoria yonke lento. They will just remember him as a coach that is arrogant, that is a coward, and a coach that never believed in his players. If he wants to redeem his status, le game against Ichecha, he knows what to do. He must do the right things. Skathele ile nto le abantu abaloke ba defender singekho isizathu sokudefend.